Hello, everybody. Wolfang here. Today is Tuesday, March the 19th. I think I said in my short video at lunchtime today it was the 18th. Oh, well. So, how's everybody doing? Good, I hope. Beautiful day here, but cold. They just said on the news, too, that spring is actually at 11:06 or 11:08 tonight, is when it's officially springtime. But like I said, it was nice today. Cold, only because of the wind. I'm still fighting this damn cold too. I just told the wife, I said, I don't know what the hell we caught. It sucks. Just can't get my energy back. So, anyway, the article I'm going to share has to do with some judge. So, first I have to share the screen. All right, let's see what we got here. Okay. So it says judge rules illegal immigrants have gun rights protected by the Second Amendment. Right off the bat, that screams no to me. First off, you're an illegal. You're not an American. So our Constitution does not go along with you if you're illegal. So they're saying, let's see, a federal judge in Illinois has found that the Constitution protects the gun rights of non-citizens who enter the United States illegally. U.S. District Judge Sharon Johnson Coleman on Friday ruled that a federal prohibition on illegal immigrants owning firearms is unconstitutional as applied to defendant Herberto Carbella Flores. The court found that while the federal ban is facially constitutional, there's no historical tradition of firearm regulation that permits the government to deprive a non-citizen who has never been convicted of a violent crime from exercising his Second Amendment right. And if they're going to get all technical like that, they should say exercising his or her Second Amendment right. The non-citizen possession status violates the Second Amendment as appealed to Carbella Flores, the judge wrote. Thus, the court grants Carbella Flores' motion to dismiss. Coleman, a President Obama appointee, cited the landmark Supreme Court decision in New York State Rifle and Pistol Association versus Braun in 2022. Merlin, which established a new standard to determine whether a law violates the Second Amendment. Since Brune, a multitude of federal and state gun control measures have been challenged in courts with mixed results. In this case, U.S. versus Carbella Flores, the court considered whether people who enter the country illegally can be banned from owning firearms. And I say yes, because we don't know who they are. Carbella Flores is an illegal immigrant who, on January 1st, 2020, was found to be in possession of a handgun in the Little Village neighborhood of Chicago. He was subsequently charged with violating a federal law that prohibits any non-citizen who is not legally authorized to be in the U.S. from possessing in or affecting commerce, any firearm or ammunition, or to receive any firearm or ammunition which has been shipped or transported in interstate or foreign commerce. In an April 2022 decision, Coleman denied Carabella Flores' first motion to dismiss his indictment, finding that the ban was constitutional. However, Carabella Flores asked the court to reconsider that ruling following the Supreme Court's decision in Braun, an appellate decision in the 3rd and 7th District that considered whether people convicted of nonviolent crimes can be prohibited from possessing firearms. Upon review, Coleman concluded that Carabella Flores' illegally present status was not significant to deny him Second Amendment rights. And the judge said the plain text of the Constitution presently protects firearms possession by undocumented persons. Corbella Flores has never been convicted of a felony, a violent crime, or a crime involving the use of a weapon. Even in the present case, Corbella Flores contended that he received and used the handgun solely for self-protection and protection of property during a time of documented civil unrest in the spring of 2020, the judge wrote. Additionally, Patriel Service has confirmed that Cabela Flores has consistently adhered to and fulfilled all the stipulated conditions of his release, is gainfully employed, and has no new arrest or outstanding warrants. The court determined that because there is insignificant evidence to suggest Corbella Flores is a danger to society, there is no historical analog that would permit the federal government to deny him his gun rights. The court finds that Corbella has a criminal record containing no improper use of a weapon, as well as the nonviolent circumstances of his arrest, do not support a finding that he poses a risk to public safety such that he cannot be trusted to use a weapon responsibly and should be deprived of his Second Amendment right to bear arms in self-defense, Judge Coleman wrote. Thus, this court finds that, as applied to Corbella Flores, Section 92G5 is unconstitutional. The ruling has divided gun rights activists, with some arguing that non-citizens should not have rights protected by the Constitution. Eric Bratt, Senior Vice President of Gun Owners of America, told Fox News Digital his group has historically recognized the dangers of unchecked illegal immigration presence, chiefly of which is a serious potential to swing the balance of power into the hands of anti-gun politicians. Brad reiterated GOA does not support amnesty for illegal immigrants. In this underlying ruling, the Second Amendment community undoubtedly has mixed feelings because, while illegal aliens are most certainly not part of the people, everyone has a God-given right to defend themselves against violent acts like rape and murder, he said. Of course, the courts would have to decide this question if Joe Biden and the Democrat Party would simply secure our borders. So there you go. I don't know. What do you think? You tell me. You leave a comment in the comment section. You know where the comment section's at. It's right down there. Anyway, I do not. First off, you already broke the law by coming here illegally. So What do they charge that? Is that a misdemeanor or um, man, had another brain fart. Anyway, uh, you come here illegally. Our Constitution shouldn't back you. You're not an American. You're not legal. You're illegal. You have the right to defend yourself, yeah. But first off, you're here illegally. So I don't know. Like I said, you guys leave your remarks. Let me know what you think. I got dinner in the oven. I got to check on. I don't want it to burn. So I hope everybody has a great Tuesday evening. This is Wolfang. Blessed be. Stay safe, and I'll chat with you all later.